So in today's video, going to be replacing the heater core in the Ranger. My truck is a 1994, if you don't already know, 2.3. So if you have the same year and make and model, it should apply the same. So first step, open your glove box. You're going to want to get all this junk out of here. Whatever you have in your glove box, take it out. As I was going through the glove box, found all this original paperwork for the truck from way back when. All the original owner's manuals. How to maintain the beauty of your new vehicle. But yeah, pretty cool. All this stuff still in here. There's like the original insurance cards from way back when in here and from the previous owner. Believe it or not, I'm the second owner of this truck. The guy before me bought it brand new. Interrupting the video to let the people that watch my videos on a regular know that at the end of the video, I'm going to be doing like a little update. I know people have been asking why I haven't been posting and what's been going on, etc. So I'm going to do a little update at the end of the video. So if you're interested, stay tuned till the end for that. So once you get your glove box cleaned out, you're gonna come underneath and you're gonna have to take this right here off. There's bolts underneath to get the door for the heater core box off. So you're gonna have, I think it's 4 Phillips heads. There's gonna be one here, one right here, and then 2 on that side. So take those 4 Phillips heads off, and then we should be able to get to the bolts for the heater core box. Okay, so I got the under tray out of the way. I wouldn't call it an under tray, but the cover. So you have 1 bolt here, 1 right there, 1 right there, and then another one should be up here. Yeah, there's another one up here. They're all 8 millimeters. So take those 4 bolts out, and then the heater core should be exposed on the bottom right here. As you can see, got the 4 bolts right here. Now, should just be able to grab this cover and pull it out. So this is the vent. If the heater cord ever starts leaking, this is where it comes out of instead of pouring into your floorboard, which mine did about a year ago now. And I went through last summer without it, and not last summer, last winter without it. This winter, I'm not doing it again. My daily is currently down at the moment, so I'm daily in this thing, so we gotta have heat. So we're fixing it right now. But if you look, there's your heater core right there. If you're lucky and you already have the lines disconnected like me, you grab it just like you just seen me do and pull it out. Oh, and pour a little bit of coolant on the ground. Can't really tell, probably leaking from down here somewhere. Just corrosion. I mean, it's 30 years old. I don't expect it to not be leaking. But yeah, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop the hood. You're gonna come right here. So this is where your heater core goes through the firewall at and connects to the radiator. So if you don't know, this line goes down and snakes through and connects to a neck off the water pump, therefore pumping water through your thermostat, giving you heat. So I had mine just bypassed in a loop because it was leaking. So all you're gonna do, you're gonna take pliers, slide these 2 clamps off up here, pull the lines out. There's gonna be coolant in these, so be ready to catch it. Don't let it go everywhere. So your next step is to take your new heater core. You're gonna wanna try to fish it up in there while tilting it back towards you. It's better if you have two people, that way somebody can grab the hoses through the firewall. But if you're by yourself, just take your time. Don't bend up these flutes on the heater core, and eventually you'll get it. And now you come outside, as you can see, the lines are starting to come through. Grab you a pair of pliers, pull them the rest of the way through, just like that. So your next step is going to be to connect your lines back to the heater core. Now, I just drove the truck home, so it's hot. I can feel this line is scorching hot. So I'm going to wait a little bit because obviously the cooling system's pressurized. Once I let the truck cool down, I will reattach them. It's just a closed loop. It just goes in one side and out the other. It doesn't matter which one of these left and right, I don't think. So I have the lines slewed back up on. I haven't put the clamps on yet because the core is trying to push back. So what I'm going to do is reassemble the inside, and then I'll slide the clamps on the engine bay side. So it's going to be your 4 bolts for the bottom of the heater core box, and then reattach the underpinning or kick well, whatever you want to call this. Close your glove box and you'll be done on the inside. Got everything down here tidied up, tightened up. As you can see, the door's back on for the heater core box. Now, only thing left to do is you're gonna have to make sure that you top off your coolant, because your heater core has coolant running through it. So if you remove it, there's gonna be less coolant in it than before. So after I slide these clamps over, I'm gonna crank the truck up, let it start circulating fluids, top it off, let it burp itself, that way there's no air pockets. Should be good to go. Have heat in the morning. So at this point, what you want to do is let it run, let it get up to temperature, the thermostat open up. I'm gonna go ahead and close this because at the moment it's just spitting it out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive around. Got to go to town in a minute anyways. Once I get back, I'll let it cool off and then top it off, whatever it needs. On the inside, here's everything from the glove box. I know you guys can't feel it, obviously, but the heat is blowing. Actually, I'm gonna turn it off because it's not currently cold outside. Taking me 30 minutes at most. Do it yourself at home. Needed an 8mm, a Phillips head screwdriver. Easy peasy, just like that. Got heat. So, life update. The reason that I haven't been posting is because my daily is currently down. The people that only know me like from watching YouTube probably don't know, but if you know me personally, you know that I daily Crown Vic. It's what I normally go to work in and go anywhere. Like, it's my daily, but it has a hole in the gas tank. It's a car from the north, so it's a little rusty and has a pinhole, like a rust pinhole in the gas tank, so it's just leaking gas out of it. So I haven't been able to drive that, which means I'm not going to be doing a whole lot to the truck because I'm trying to keep it as reliable as possible. I drive 82 miles round trip every day to get to work. So it's a long ways to be driving something that's, you know, not reliable, and I got to get to work. I got a new job recently, so kind of been focused on that and getting everything right with that and progressing in long-term stuff as far as my job goes. So yeah, hopefully within the next month I'll be able to fix the Vic, and I want to lower the Ranger more. I can still go further in the rear. Maybe in the future I want to do like a C-notch and possibly 4-link coilover conversion in the front and the rear. Definitely want to get different wheels for the truck. I don't know. I've contemplated on selling the truck a few times, just because I would like to have something else at times. But then again, like, I love the Ranger so much. If anyone knows me personally, they know, like, I've always drove Rangers. Like, my first vehicle was a Ranger. I had a 2001, I had a brand new one, and now I have a 94. So I really want to possibly drift this thing in the future, actually drift it, not just on the street. Also, another part of the life update, I'll add the picture in if I can do it. But 2 weeks ago, our buddy Kurt Stovall, go follow him on YouTube, he posts videos also, he is a E36, and we all manual swapped it. And right after we got it done, took it out for a little test drive, and I decided it would be a good idea to clutch kick it on a U-turn and do a little skid, just, you know, testing out the new trans. And a cop seen me do all of it and gave me 2 tickets that are like $800. So also been saving up to pay that. If I don't pay that, gonna take me to jail, put me on probation, you know, the whole nine. So got to focus on some more priority things before I start doing reckless things with my money and stuff. But yeah, that's just a little life update. Caleb and Kurt have been out of town in California the past 2 weeks. So right now I'm at the shop waiting on Caleb to get here. We're going to ride mountain bikes today. They've been gone, so we haven't been able to ride, obviously. But yeah, just a little life update. Stuff's going good. Hopefully, towards the end of the year or the beginning of the new year, I'll be able to start really doing stuff to the truck that I want to do. Like, I want to paint it, you know, like I said, lower it, new wheels. I want to do some stuff to the interior, just make it better. I mean, it's good right now. It's just a normal, basic mini truck, and I don't want to be basic. So, life update. Hope everybody else is doing good. If you stayed around this long, I appreciate you watching. I read everybody's comments, and I appreciate people commenting, supporting. You know, it's just, right now YouTube's just a little hobby that I'm doing, but it's always been something that I've wanted to do, just never really had the courage to pick it up and just start posting stuff. But it's fun seeing everybody interact and comment. I enjoy it, even if it's, you know, 200 people. I mean, it's still super fun to me. So yeah, thank everybody. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.